Good morning guys. July 23, last day here in Thailand. And for our last day's itinerary is half day city tour, konting gala, then airport. And first ano dito is nakasalansan po ang van. Nakahiwalay po ang mga matatanda sa mga bata, kaya nandito po kami talaga po mga party mga kaibigan. Hi guys, so currently it's 10 in the Philippines, 9 here in Thailand. Our outfit for today, the new jeans, Eugene Domingo. And first thing na pupunta namin is itong tall structure na to. And ang mga pupuntahan namin is mga old structures from mga 1700s, 1300s. Kumbaga guys, luma na siyang building. Ayun. And as you can see guys, laki ng building na to. This is Zoom pero ito, yan. Kumbaga guys, nasa malayo kasi kami, kumbaga yan, para may dagat pa sa gitna. Ganda.
You will know na. Oy, map lang. The map of the train station, SkyTrain underground.
Pasan tayo?
Ferry.
Ferry kami guys. Ayun, punta kami. We're inside the ferry with this view. Hindi ko alam kung papunta kami doon or paano ba? Under na ba? Wait lang, ako nalulula. But the view, it's so nice. Tingnan niyo naman guys ang view natin mga kaibigan. Napakaganda. Yes. And guys, upon entering the temple, ito yung ticket nila for 200 baht if I'm not mistaken. And merong free, kumbaga complimentary na water. And yan ang makikita around the temple. Hindi ko kita sarili ko sa screen pero
I mean by Ramayana story from Hindu. He doesn't want everyone the history that I'm copy my brother, I'm copy my father.
So guys, we're just walking around this temple and on our yan kita niyo naman guys. May kagandaan, mga naglalaking mga structures. And guys, if kumbaga may chance kayo makapunta dito, advance warning, bawal dito yung mga revealing clothes. Kasi medyo parang kumbaga conservative place kasi syempre may mga monks dito and ayun. Pero there are shops naman around here na pwede kayong bumili if nauuhaw kayo or if you want something. And it's a nice place. Look, so ganda. Benny. Sama naman lighting ko na ba yan? Ayun guys, so Benny. Mainit. So guys, we're here. First temple with the Eugene Domingo. And update, mainit dito guys. Pinas, update. So guys, we're climbing up. Wait lang, magsusunga ba? Climbing up, medyo matarik ang steps nila. Kasi, I think this is 76 meters. I think around doon. And, alam? Ay, sensya, nagkamali. Taang hindi nakikinig. Ganda. Since it's last day, souvenir ulit tayo guys. So guys, next another temple where sundod muna namin here sa candle, tapos we can make our wishes when it comes to education, our life, or career. Let's go. Currently, next location we are in Siam Paragon, another mall siya kung saan kitang-kita nyo naman from my background, high-end ulit. And last na bilihan, anything na kailangan, want, bili na din. Airport din, ayun. Ikot-ikot tayo guys. So guys, it's currently 12:39 and andito kami. Lunchtime and ayun. And ang akin is fish fillet chicken. Parang flavor yata is salted something. And ayun, 4.99 baht. Bili na siya. Lafang. So after namin mag-lunch sa Burger King, bumili pa ako ng yung parang buy one take one na fish na burger and hamburger for 79 baht. Kumbaga parang mix and match or buy one take one. Malin doon, kay bala. In peso, calculate nyo. Go.
Shala. Ito na ako nababagay.
May pam. Mukha siya guys, Taipei 101. Mukha siyang Taipei 101. Mga bigatin. Habang naikot sila, kain tayo. So guys, next is Platinum Mall and I think ang Platinum Mall is katabi lang nitong Siam Paragon, which is around baka doon, and susunduin kami dito ng aming van around 4 p.m. And I think after that 4 p.m. is direction na yata kami sa airport, then ayun, hintay na lang for the flight. And wala pa din ako nabibili para sa self ko. Ay ganda, wow, what is this? Is this cool? Ganda. Well, ano naman ako maisip. Ano ba maganda? Sa bahay din. Oh my god, wala akong souvenir for myself. Oh my god. So guys, kita ba ako? Hindi ako. Oh my god.
Oh my god, yes on that. I was really thinking about what I should do. Now I can never let him go. He's right there for me 24/7. My heart is blowing, so I can't sleep at night.